It may be full on roasting outside, and I do mean roasting because, oh my gosh, we're hitting triple digits. But that's not gonna stop us from talking about the Fall FabFitFun. I am so excited that my fall box came. As many of you guys know, if you saw one of my recent videos, I let you know that my summer box just accidentally didn't get shipped to me from FabFitFun, but they made sure I got the fall box, and I could not wait because the choices in here were elite and I am so excited. While I do not wish summer away because I'm a summer girl and I love it, I could definitely use some cooler thoughts because, like I said, we are in triple digits and it is a lot. I have already started using products in here, and this is a end of day wear test with one of the products that I can't wait to tell you about. Also, with the humidity, curly frizzy hair, don't care. So let's just ignore that, okay? And get into the FabFitFun. Now, if you are unfamiliar with FabFitFun, I am so happy that I am here to introduce you to one of my OG favorites. Their packaging is one of my favorites too for the seasons because the boxes are always themed. And yes, unfortunately, you're gonna hear some neighbors mowing, but that cannot stop us. Nay, nay, we are here for some fun. With FabFitFun, there are seasonal boxes and annual. So if you just want one box, one and done, like this one, for example, you can get just one. So you can try it. See if it's something that you really want to get into. Or you can also just do an annual, and that's the way you're going to save a little bit of money. And yes, you better believe for each option, I have a discount code for you to help you save even more money because we're all here to save the dollars, aren't we? So I'm gonna jump into the fall one and let you know my initial thoughts. Now these are curated because I got to pick the items. Now, if you are an annual member, you do get to pick your items. I do believe if you are a seasonal member, you get to pick a few of your items, but we all have a surprise too. So I definitely was gonna mix it up this time because I wanted some lifestyle, I wanted some beauty, and I wanted some skincare. I jumped into these Elemis Radiance facial pads. These are dynamic resurfacing pads, and I have not gotten to try these yet, but I am super stoked too. I'm personally hoping they are like the First Aid Beauty Radiance pads, and they definitely look like it. This is a full big quantity of it. I'm really excited for these, to be honest with you, because I really find that these do such a good job to lighten, brighten the tones, and they're super easy and convenient to use first thing in the morning. I love to start my skincare like that. So this was something I absolutely selected. And again, Elemis, what a great brand. We are looking at top tier brands when it comes to FabFitFun. The retail for these is $65 too. So again, this is the first item. $65. That's why I love these. I find FabFitFun to be kind of the best out there. So the item that I'm actually wearing this morning is an Ila bronzer. I feel like I really missed the boat by not selecting some Ila bronzers years ago with BoxyCharm when we were picking our items. This one is a Sunshift cream bronzer, and we got to select the choice color. I chose the shade Rise because when I was looking on the Ila website, it really looked like this would be best for my skin. And I do have to say, if you are close to my skin tone, this one is the one to go with. I put this on this morning over the top of my foundation or base products, and it built up beautifully. And I have to say, I'm gonna do a zoom in. Here's the thing. I have had this makeup on since 7 this morning and it is 6 o'clock. So we're talking 11 hours of wear. So keep in mind, things may be a little broken apart when it comes to the base product, but that's not what we're looking at. You can clearly see the bronzer is still here. She is still gorgeous. She is glowing. This applied beautifully. I could tap on a little bit just to get a nice subtle look, or I could build it. I did find when I was building it this morning, I could achieve even more warmth and even like a little touch of some contouring in the cheekbone area if I wanted to. This meshed beautifully with anything I put over it and on top of it because the powders I was using also blended splendidly. And I have been using a bronzer stick for a while, and the fact that this creamy compact worked even better, and I feel like the product was more forgiving, more It was a bit of a lighter touch, a little bit more of a feathery wash of color that I could build or apply where I wanted to. I found I liked that so much more than what I have been using. So I think I found a new staple product for my base makeup, and I'm pretty excited about it. This is a $38 product. So again, we're getting high-end amazing products. We love to see it. But now I decided I wanted to pivot. When I was seeing the options, there are a lot of different categories that are in here. There is some kitchenware, there is some health things, but there's also some fashion items, and there has been this like revival of this style of sunglass that I have been really thinking about, and they were in here with Steve Madden. So I have not even put these on yet because I wanted to do the unveiling with you. These are so on trend and just scream 90s to me, but they are back, my friend. Oh my gosh. I just went to the movies and saw I Know What You Did Last Summer, and I would have been wearing these in what, 97 when the original movie came out. They just did a continuation of the story, and I feel like, what's old is new again. Ooh, I do believe these are $48 as well. So we are just really going full on high end right now. I, again, can't speak enough of these amazing boxes. So let's dive into some other stuff that I kind of forgot about because I really don't remember everything I picked. Ooh, Rare Beauty. Find Comfort Hydrating Hand Cream. I needed something for my work bag because, does everybody else's office keep their temperature right above, I don't know, freezing at the Arctic? Because I'm so cold that my skin is drying out. Oh my gosh, look how cute this is. What an adorable packaging for a lotion, right? Is it childproof? We all know packaging does me in. Okay, someone explain to me how this works. Oh, does it just stay on like that? Am I breaking it by doing that? Oh my gosh, that's how it works. Okay, it looks slightly phallic, but we're gonna pretend we didn't see that. I almost just ripped the top off of that. Ooh, oh, it smells nice. It's a luxurious, clean scent. Oh, I'm really gonna like having this in my work bag. Love this with Rare Beauty. Gosh, this smells so good. And this is an $18 product, so super happy to have received this. Oh, I forgot about this. Look at this cute little necklace. I think they have this necklace in silver and gold, so for my silver girlies, this is an option out there. This is from Electric Picks. It's their Camilla necklace. So here's the cute little pendant on it, but it's also a really nice length, so that way you can use it for stacking. And this necklace has a $68 value. I'm gonna have to add all this up. I just keep smelling this lotion, it's so good. Smells very like department store luxe. All right, what is this? Stay rad, wear 8 other reasons. 8otherreasons.com. Oh, I forgot. So this is a very nice plush looking jewelry holder for travel. I picked this out because I've been doing a lot of traveling this year and I would love to continue to do that. So there's a lot of different features in here to hold all of your jewelry. And I do have something to hold my jewelry when I travel, but it's kind of bulky and rounded and it doesn't lay flat like this. I'm sure once I put stuff in it, it won't be as flat. But I wanted something a little bit more luxe, so something a little nicer. So I'm really pleased with this. Look how big it is too. We've got options. This is a $49.95 value. 50 bucks. Wow. Glad I didn't buy it and it came in the box. So again, that's a perk of getting these. And what is this? I think I remember what this is, but I'm not 100% sure. This is from the brand Business and Pleasure Co. You guys have seen a lot of stuff from this brand from me. I've gotten floats for the pool and the beach with them. I have gotten a few other items. So let's see if this is what I remember it being. I'm gonna need to stand up. It's a full-on apron, and for me, no, it's not for cooking. It's gonna be for cleaning seashells because I know my place, and it is at the beach or cleaning shells at my house. I thought this was really cute. It's also got like a pocket here. I love cleaning my seashells, and I find that with the items that you clean it with, which includes acid, you don't want it to get on your clothes. So I thought this would be a nice item to have. And this sucker is $79? Holy buckets. I'm gonna add up all of these costs and it is... I am always thoroughly impressed when it comes to my FabFitFun boxes. That's why I was so heartbroken when my summer box never showed up, and I was like, but I love these boxes because they are elite. I mentioned recently in my videos that I think that the FabFitFun boxes are really the only boxes that I think are really probably doing well right now, because they have such a wide variety of anything for your lifestyle, for cooking, for jewelry, for skincare, for makeup. There is a long list of things. Clothing items were in here this past time around, so it's just not even just the apron, like sweaters and things like that. So I really think that this is kind of the way that all subscription boxes, if they want to be successful, are going. Let me know what you're thinking. Would you be interested in a FabFitFun? Because I know that I was so sad to not get my last one, and I'm so happy that these all came in and I'm already using the products and loving them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love hearing all of your thoughts. I will chat with you down below and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.